Today, we're going to look at how you might personalize Enterprise Architect.
Yes, personalization. This is an important aspect of people's usage of a tool. Let's have a look at my diary for a start. And you can see that's popped up a window over here. I might just put an entry in for today and say, so, I'll put that one in there. It's misspelled that. I'll just correct that there. And that's going in working sets. I'm going to click on working sets here. And what you can see now is that over on the left-hand side, again, in its default position, in the focus window, these are things that I've put into a group that I want to open up. So let's just click on that and we can say open working set and watch what happens. So there was some magic there, and maybe
it's opened all of the diagrams and
yeah. The next thing I want to do, Scott, is show how I can personalize the diagram, the default diagram that comes up when I open Enterprise Architect. I can click down this My Diagram and I can look at this, open my diagram. It hasn't been set at the moment, so I'll choose default there. And now I'll browse through these parking meter location model. Let's choose that one. I'll say OK to that. Now, Scott, what will happen is if I close this application and then reopen it, you can see now that model, the one that I chose,
opened your default
into
the parking meter location model.
Yeah, exactly. Let's have a look at my Kanban. So if I click on that, you can see that pops up a Kanban diagram. This is a really useful way to be able to get straight to that diagram. A Gantt chart. So my Gantt chart, again, I can click on that and you can see now that a Gantt chart has popped up. And this brings the point, Scott, that there are so many pieces of functionality in the tool that you can use to manage projects.